Hello friends, this is the 23rd video of designing the e-commerce web application. On my previous video, I show how to design a responsive single product view page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. So today I am going to talk about the single product view page including the seller's information. So this is the product view page. Let's get into my code. So first I assign the product ID we got using get method to this PID variable. Then I use this query to get all details about our product. And I got the number of the rows of the result set and assign to the product num. If product num equal to 1, the whole thing happens. Else we got a echo, sorry for the inconvention. If product num equal to 1, first I fetch all the rows from the result set and assign to the product variable. Then here I use this part to get product images. In this line I create load main image function to load my image when we click. So this is my load image function. First I get the src of the image and assign to the image variable. Then main image to this main variable. So then I create this new URL, this main variable using the image variable, and that's how it's load my images. Then in the pricing part, so I got the actual price using product data. Then I got the 5% of the price. Then I got the new price by this new price variable and add to here. And then I calculate my percentage price and assign to the percentage variable. Then come the seller's details. I get seller's details using this search query and fetch all the rows to seller's data variable. Then I got the first name and last name using that seller's data variable. And then come to the quantity field. So first I create the onKeyUp attribute and assign this check value quantity function. Moving to my that function, here's my check value function. Here I got quantity input field by using get element by id and assign to the input variable. Then in input is less than or equal to 0, then I get a alert quantity must be 1 or more, and this will change input value to 1, and else if input greater than the quantity that you got, maximum quantity achieved alert while changing the input value to the product quantity. Moving to my single product view. So in here I add a function quantity increase and quantity decrease to increase and decrease our product. So here's my quantity increase function. In here also I get quantity input and assign into the input variable. If the variable quantity is less than the input, then I got the value as an integer and add 1 to it and assign a new value variable and convert to the new value to string. Else we got alert maximum quantity has achieved. Then we come to the quantity decrease function. It will happen the same thing in the increase section, but in here we subtract 1 from the input value and that works our quantity field. Move back to my, then we come to the quantity decrease function. It will happen the same thing in the increase section, but in here we subtract 1 from the input value, and that's how works our quantity field. Moving back to my code. In here the related item we search all the product in the product table and assign to the related rs variable and get all the number of rows in the result set. Then we display our product using these PHP codes, and when it comes to the product details, I use product data to get our details. So this is the final process of single product view. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope to see you next video. Goodbye.